What's going on, guys? This is Ryan with Car Audio Inc. Just finished an install on a 2017 Jeep Patriot. This car had pretty pitiful options from the factory. We replaced all 4 speakers. You can kind of see them peeking through there with JBL Club 6x9s. And come in here. You can see we installed a DDX 376 BT. This car had Uconnect, but no proper Bluetooth, so wanted to get her up and running with that. And of course, it'll sound way better.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance.
You know, we did it before the car leaves. We matched the color to the rest of the car. As you can see, it's kind of a greenish, bluish hue. But anyway, yeah, if you can see, it always takes a little bit to get these to sit right in the dash. These Jeep dash kits can be a little finicky, but yeah. We also, I'll show you, if we turn car off, radio stays on. But if we, trying to get this in the shot, if we open the door, radio turns off. It's a retained accessory power, I think it's called. But yeah, man, now this car is bumping. So if you like what you saw, hit us up at caraudioinc.com.